Hello YouTube! In front of us today we have probably one of the coolest packages ever because this is an iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit, and in today's video we'll be unboxing it, we'll see what it has to offer, and this will definitely be used all the time in the future because it's an awesome toolkit. So before we dive right in, let's actually take a look at the packaging. So first off, we've got the iFixit logo, we have a preview of what's inside, the Pro Tech Toolkit name, and a list of things you can use this with. Then it also states that it has 64 bits as well as a 4mm driver. The side just has the iFixit logo. The other side also has the iFixit logo. The bottom doesn't have anything. The top also does not have anything. On the back, there's a list of everything that actually comes in the Pro Tech Toolkit, so if you guys want to, feel free to pause and take a look at it. Now that it's open, it should just slide out. With the sleeve removed, we can now actually open the box and take a look at the toolkit. The actual box opens up from the bottom. You pull up the flap, and it reveals the toolkit inside. Taking the toolkit out of the box, we are also given a silica packet, as well as an owner's guide, and even some stickers. With the paperwork, we are given iFixit themed stickers, which are pretty cool, as well as an owner's guide. And in here, it explains about the story of iFixit, as well as explanations about different tools, a nice diagram about the whole kit, more explanations, and some pretty cool information. And for an owner's guide, this is pretty high quality, and it's definitely not a boring little leaflet that they give you, because this is a quality tool. Now here's the actual toolkit itself. It has this really nice fabric case that holds everything in here, including the driver bits. And of course it is held down with Velcro. So that way you can open it and close it easily without it losing anything. And then it simply just folds out. First, let's take a look at the actual screwdriver section of the kit. Now this is actually magnetically held on into the fabric case, so that way it will not slide out even when it's in storage. The lid itself is also magnetically attached, so that way you can easily open it and close it. They also give us a silica packet, so that way there's no moisture, but inside here we actually have the entirety of the screwdriver set. Now we won't actually take a look at every single one since that would take a very long time, but here they are. They're all individually listed, and if you guys want more information, you can always go back in the video and check out the list that was on the box. And of course, we actually need a screwdriver in order to use all of these bits. So we are given a nice metallic one with a spinning blue top, as well as an extender for hard to reach places. Moving on to the rest of the toolkit, there is a flap which protects all of these tools here, as well as these plastic picks. Going from left to right, first we have reverse tweezers, then we also have two normal tweezers. One of them is angled and the other one is just straight. Then we also have three spudgers, two of which are plastic and one of them is metal. At the very end, we also have the jimmy tool, which is a hybrid between a putty knife and a utility blade. At the very top, there are also 6 plastic opening picks. At the very end, there are 3 opening tools, a suction handle, and an anti-static wrist strap. And that is the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. This has been my unboxing and review of the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. Overall, this is a really nicely made, high quality toolkit, and I can't wait to use this in the future. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you found it helpful, then consider subscribing, as it really does help out the channel, and be sure to stick around for more, as future content is on the way. But that's it for the moment. Thanks for watching.